Hey guys, it's Mary Beth from My Fearless Kitchen. I am standing outside next to our barn and something is missing. We are in the middle of a huge improvement project on this barn. This is the outside wall of the barn and it's supposed to be covered in beautiful red metal. Instead, there's nothing. And believe it or not, because he's not paying attention right now, but that troublemaker horse Bo, who was with me in our last video, is right on the other side of that hole. So we took off the sidewall. My husband John is getting ready to build on an extension so he can have a shop that's heated in the winter and cooled in the summer, so he always has a comfortable place to work on his tractors and his hay equipment. In today's newsletter, I've got some kid-friendly stuff for you. I've got a 4-year-old, he's 4.5, he'll tell you every day, but he loves to drink chocolate milk. And I've got this question from a number of moms of, is there too much sugar in flavored milk? So I'm diving into that in one of the posts in today's newsletter. And then for some kid-friendly recipes, we've got a classic homemade mac and cheese, always a big favorite in our house, and then a broccoli with cheese sauce. It's a family favorite of my husband's and mine too. And that's the one way that we can get our son to eat some broccoli. So give it a try. I think you'll like it. I think your picky eaters will like it too. Thanks so much for joining us, and I'll see you soon. Bye.